What's up, Douglas family? It's your girl Haley, and I am just here to redo my intro for the prank I did on the kids when I woke them up the other day because it was some stuff going on in my background, and I just had to, fix it. So I'm back to fix it, and we're gonna get y'all into the prank from a couple weeks ago.
What do you want?
Well, that's the first two.
Those.
Go get our little mini. She's over there. I can't wait. She's sleeping good. She's sleeping so good. That's the way the cookie crumble. When your kids always wake you up, you gotta get even with them. That's all you can do, so that they understand that you ain't playing that. You not playing that. How you feel? Huh? How you feel? You upset? You happy? Well, forget you too then. Let's see how the other one felt about it. I'm sure I made a good decision to wake everybody up like that this morning.
No, that was a bad decision.
How do you feel about it?
Kinda good. Why don't we stop doing pranks?
I'm missing somebody. Quincy. How did you feel about your prank, Quincy? How did you feel? What?
Bad.
Why did you feel bad?
You woke me up.
I'm supposed to wake you up.
No, you can't.
Watch this. Watch you as I woke up. Watch this. Izzy. Izzy was under the bed. I woke up too. That's funny stuff. Alrighty, y'all. Alright. Thank y'all for watching my waking the kids up morning prank. If y'all wouldn't mind, like and subscribe to the channel. Drop different comments down below, and we will keep content flowing. And again, if you got kids that wake you up in the morning, don't act like you can't wake up early one good morning just to teach them a lesson. Gotta show y'all how to teach it. That's how you teach the kids a lesson. I was in the drum line, Alright, y'all. I will catch y'all in the next video.